Hey, you. Yeah, you. Hey, girl. So I know you guys are probably like, whoa, her hair. I know. It looks crazy. But it's cute. It's not mine. It's your girl Jeelovee and welcome to my channel. So I actually partnered up with a company, Jeelovee Hair, and they are on Amazon. They are my favorite company ever, and they sent me this lovely wig. So originally I had purchased my own wig back in September, and I left a review, and the review blew up. I had so many people coming to my DMs because I left my Instagram, and then a company had came and it was like, I love your pictures. So from then on we actually connected and we partnered. So they asked me to do a review on this wig. I will insert the picture and the link to the other wig that everyone is talking about and everybody wanted. This one is very similar to this one, except it was a little longer and it was just a little bit more expensive, but everything else was the same. So enough of me rambling, let's get straight into the video. So I'm not going to go in detail on the bleaching the knots, but I will show you what I'm doing, because here's the wig and you may not be able to see clearly, but you can see those black dots, and that is not going to make your hair look natural. So in order to get the most natural looking hairline as possible, you will have to bleach the knots, and it's not hard, it's pretty simple. Then you want to get a mannequin head. This is one of the little plastic foam ones that you can get from the hair store for like $3 or online. Really cheap. Or you can use the, the other ones. Any foam head or any mannequin head that you have, you can use that one. I am using this one, and you flip the wig inside out so we're exposing the lace, and you just want to get your consistency. And you really want to be gentle, you guys. Do not smear it. Do not like pour it. You got to kind of pat it and dab it on there, because you only want this to touch the lace. You don't want it to touch the hair, because then your hair is going to be blonde. So in this section, first of all, she's all in the back. Girl, get out. Okay. Anyway, so I'm just applying some foundation powder on my cap. I did already glue the cap down, so I'm just applying the foundation powder to make the cap more brown, because you see it's light skin and my scalp is not light skin. Alright guys, so at this part you definitely want to pay attention, because this is how we're going to be layering our wig. So you just use your got-to-be spray that I'll be showing, and then you use your blow dryer, and it's going to get sticky, and that means you're doing it right. So just keep blow drying, and then you kind of repeat the process until it gets sticky enough. So at this part, I am using my Got2b glue, and then you want to just pat it on your hairline. So just dab it on there pretty much. I do recommend if you want like a stronger hold, because using the Got2b, it only lasts a few days. But if you want something to last like 2 weeks plus maybe, I would suggest getting the bold hold glue that is very popular on Instagram, and usually most hairstylists use it. But this is just for something that's quick and cheap. I was definitely ODing on the glue and the spray. Like, you do not have to use that much. I didn't realize I was using too much. You only need it on the hairline. Guys, don't do what I did. I'm definitely going to do it updated. Alright, so now you want to just repeat the process of the spray and use your blow dryer so it can get sticky. And then soon we'll be applying the wig. So right now you can see me just applying the lace where the glue is, obviously, so you know where it will stick. And you want to start with one side. Like, you don't want to put glue all over your head and then place the whole wig on top. No, you want to start with one end and then do the middle section and then do the other side, and you will see that coming up. So right now I'm just blow drying what I just laid, and it's easy, guys. It's just like that. You literally just place it on there. So now what you want to do at this part, you just want to continue doing what you do on the other side, on this side. Pretty simple and basic. I'm just repeating the same exact steps, and we're going to glue this side down just like the other one. And as you can see right here, it's slowly coming together. Look how natural it's beginning to look. It actually looks like my edges, my hairline, but it's not. So at this part, you just want to keep blow drying to make sure that it's nice and dried. Guys, I really do recommend this mousse to everyone, especially if you're doing a curly look and you're gluing something on your head. This really helps lift it up and it keeps your curls in shape, as you can see that, and it's really great for styling. So I really suggest that you get this mousse. I've recommended it to so many ladies and they have been sending me pictures of them purchasing it, and it makes me so excited because this stuff is amazing and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mention, this stuff smells so good. I wish it was like a lotion or something. Oh my gosh. So to keep the curls in shape, I am using dollar store conditioner. Yes, I said dollar store conditioner. You can get this at your local Dollar Tree for $1, and you don't have to use no expensive conditioner for your weave. It's not necessary. So I'm just rubbing it in my hair to get the curls really, really defined, and that is it. Now I'm going in with my contour palette. So this is going to help blend in the lace. It isn't necessary, but I would suggest it if you have it. You can either use that or a foundation, like a powder. Definitely not a liquid. Do not put liquid foundation on your hair, guys. Please don't. Excuse my fat stomach poking out. I don't know why I thought that it was time to come out and show itself, but I'm gonna need that to go hide because everybody thinks I have a six-pack. Okay. But we are finally finished. Yay! And that's it, you guys. That is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learn how to make your wig because, girl, you don't have to spend $500. It's simple and it's easy and it's effective. So yes, thanks for joining me, and all the information again will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh, sorry, it's a marshmallow. And subscribe to Jeelovee TV. And to the fellas that's watching, get your girl this wig because she's going to need it for Valentine's Day. And ladies, if your man doesn't want to get it, then get it from your sugar daddy. I'm out.